So guys, sorry for the interruption. What would happen? We will add some granules in these sections. This will symbolize the cytoplasm, right? So cytoplasm will have two parts, right? The endoplasm and the ectoplasm. The endoplasm is in the inside of the cell, and the ectoplasm will be the upper part of the cell, outside part of the cell. Now, in this section, that we will study the different parts of a particular eukaryotic cell. So how would it look like? It would look like we will get the structure in here. Let's see. Suppose let's give these certain points, and remember to draw the arrow in a straight line. For your leveling, just make a point notch, make a straight line for your indication that up to which will level the structures, right? So here comes smooth endoplasmic reticulum, here comes ribosome, and that portion will be known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. This portion will be nucleus. Always remember that do not differentiate parts, right? Don't show the nucleolus right now. We will be discussing the nucleolus structure in the structure of nuclei. So we are just describing the cell structure. Okay. Now this is our cell membrane. This is a word scar. This is ribosome. This is mitochondria, and try to draw all these things in a single way. In here, now I don't have a place in here. So we will have endoplasm, ectoplasm, and then we will draw endoplasm in here, and there should be certain places for our there has to be the centrosome, and here lies the Golgi body. So this will be the different parts that we will be leveling today, right? So these different parts along with the flagella will make the body. So we should just this one. Okay, so what we will be starting with, at first part, what we'll have, this one is a Golgi body. This is the Golgi body. This is part was discovered by Camillo Golgi, and the next one is part 2, that is cilia. Cilia, in case of columnar ciliated columnar epithelium, will find cilia. Then what we'll find? We will find centrosome. Then the point is in fourth part, that is microvilli. Then it is smooth. I'm just taking the numbers out. Okay, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, Then we will have in here the ribosome, and afterwards we will get the rough endoplasmic reticulum, then what will have the main structure, that is the brain of a particular cell, or we can say that the structural functional unit controller of a particular cell. It is known as the nucleus, right? That is nucleus in here, and afterwards we will be having cell membrane, then we will come to cell invagination. Cell invagination. Here we can find, in case of eukaryotic cells like yeast, we will be able to find the structure of cell invagination that will also be a part of the bud scar that we see after the bud is removed during the process of budding, right? Okay, then we will have lysosome, the suicidal bag, and afterwards mitochondria. Then we will have cytoplasms, outer part, right? That will be known as the ectoplasm. Then we will have the flagellum, and this one will be our endoplasm. Now I have told you that as we have our garbages in our home, right? If this is a particular cell and these are different cell organelles or members of the family, so they will produce certain kind amount of garbages. So what that kind of garbage will be called? That will be known as orgastic material. That will be known as orgastic material. That includes different kinds of enzymes. In this orgastic material, we will have certain kind of enzymes that helps to regulate the different metabolic functions. So this will be the basic structure of a particular cell that we will be able to see or observe in an eukaryotic cell, right? So that's all, and how I have drawn this structure and written in pointed out different structures, cell organelles. Just give it a practice and it will be in a single go. Okay, so we will be studying each and every individual structures in our next topics, right? Okay, so bye bye folks, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will give you the definite shot of biology, chemistry, physics, whatever the classes are. Just follow our classes, and please try to go through the things that are in proper shape, right? That are in proper shape. Make your study materials in such a way that will help you to clear your exams. Please try to draw the things in case of biology. Try to maintain a copy of reaction in case of chemistry, or do everyday numerical in case of physics or chemistry. So these will help out you to reach your goal, right? So all the best.